This is my brand new second-hand GLA 220D, and it is missing one important little thing, and that thing is a modern comfort called Apple Carplay. Now, when I was searching the internet for a solution, I hopefully have found one at an incredibly cheap price, because according to Amazon, this device right here is something that can give me Android Auto and Apple CarPlay on my GLA for a very good price indeed. Now, it claims it is compatible with all of the following cars and model years that I have placed on screen right now, but essentially, if you have one of these cars with this modern up-to-date head unit, with this model code, and more importantly, if you have a second USB socket in your center console, the chances are it's going to be compatible if, of course, this works. So what do you get when you buy it? Well, of course, if we look at the box, it's just a plain, simple box. Open it up, you're going to get the device itself, okay, and the instruction manual, and the actual model this is for is printed on the front. But let's just give it a go and see if this £13 bit of kit is actually going to be able to enable Android Auto and Apple CarPlay on this GLA. So all we need to do is press the button to turn the car on and basically have it in the accessory mode. Now, all we're going to do is then plug in our new adapter down there. So if we just open the door and slide the seat back for a little bit more room, you can see under this little flap is our OBD2 connector. Now, it does actually go in this way. So of course, you can see the longer end is facing towards the front of the car. Plug it in, a little bit of a wiggle, and it does eventually go in. Now, if we just take a look, it happens very, very quickly. If we just take a look at the front screen, it's already saying diagnostic mode for a few seconds, and it has now restarted. So let's just see exactly what happens as this restarts then. And of course, hopefully this unit isn't bricked in any way, shape or form. So we have got our fingers crossed. There we go. We're now actually back to the same screen we was on before. So let's just now pop into the telephone mode, scroll through the menu, and hopefully, yeah, there we go. There we go. How absolutely awesome is that? Literally, there you go. You can see it's got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So that seems pretty successful. So what we're going to do now is just take our cable and just plug it into the middle center console. And then what we'll do is make sure we get the right way. Plug that in there. And we'll take this end and just plug it into my phone. Yes, I'm doing this one-handed. There you go, it's plugged into my phone. As you can see there, it's now saying activating device. And there we go. There we go, look. It has actually worked. So if I just take this adapter out, as you can see, it still works absolutely fine. Everything is all on there, and I would say that is pretty successful indeed. So I would say that was pretty successful. This little £13 gadget from Amazon actually did the job, and it took absolutely seconds to do this. Literally just plugged it into the diagnostic, the OBD2 with this car in accessory mode, so basically everything turned on but not the engine started, and literally within seconds plugged it in, the head unit showed that diagnostic mode, it rebooted, and we had CarPlay. So yeah, essentially if you want to upgrade to Android Auto or indeed CarPlay on this GLA or any of the cars I had in that list, then, well, this seems a really easy way to do it. So if you found this video useful, please do give it a big thumbs up. It tells the YouTube algorithm more people just like you might want to watch my content. Subscribe if you're awesome. And until next time, thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.